Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We're diving into the world of ChatGPT, a revolutionary AI that's making waves in the content creation industry. If you're a creator, you won't want to miss this. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. Let's get into it. Section 1. What is ChatGPT? So, what exactly is ChatGPT? In a nutshell, it's an advanced AI language model designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we create content, from writing scripts to generating video ideas and more. But how does it work? Let's find out. Section 2. How ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is powered by a deep learning algorithm that has been trained on vast amounts of text data. This enables it to understand context, generate relevant responses, and even come up with creative ideas. The more it interacts with users, the better it becomes at understanding and generating text. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for content creators like us. Section 3. Applications for content creators. Now that we know what ChatGPT is and how it works, let's explore some of the ways it can help content creators like you and me. Here are a few examples. Script writing. ChatGPT can help you write scripts for your videos, saving you time and effort. Video ideas. Struggling to come up with new video ideas? ChatGPT can generate unique and engaging concepts for your channel. Thumbnails and titles. ChatGPT can help you create eye-catching thumbnails and titles that will grab your audience's attention. Storyboarding. Need help planning your video's visuals? ChatGPT can generate detailed storyboards to guide your production process. Section 4. Pros and cons. As with any technology, ChatGPT has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it can save you time, generate creative ideas, and help you produce high-quality content. However, it's important to remember that it's still an AI, and it may not always understand the nuances of human language or specific niche topics. As a content creator, it's essential to review and edit the output to ensure it aligns with your vision and meets your audience's expectations. Section 5. How to get started with ChatGPT. So, you're probably wondering how you can start using ChatGPT to enhance your content creation process. While I can't provide specific platform recommendations, there are several AI-powered tools available that can help you access and utilize ChatGPT's capabilities. Do some research, find a tool that suits your needs, and give it a try. Pictory.ai is one such example to create videos just like this one from your content script or from any articles. Click the referral link in the description and try it for free. Comment if you would like to see a video on AI tools. And there you have it, folks. ChatGPT is an exciting development in the world of AI and content creation. It has the potential to save you time, generate creative ideas, and help you produce high-quality content. Just remember to review and edit the output to ensure it meets your standards. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.